friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss MCQs on Pharmacology 1 Unit 2, that is General Pharmacology. So let's begin. Field of Dash has an significant contribution in understanding of mechanism of drug action, research in pharmacological field as well as in development of newer drugs. The answer is pharmacodynamics. The next question is dash is an increase in activity of specialized cell stimulation. The next question is invasion of parasites of cancer cells and their attenuation without any significant effect on the host cells make use of dash of the drugs. The answer is cytotoxic action. The next question is the treatment of hormonal deficiency necessarily implicates the use of dash therapy replacement. The next question is the three main ion pumps involved in transport process are sodium, calcium and NaH+. The next question is that maintenance of osmotic balance and volume of the cell along with the maintenance of membrane potential are significant functions of the sodium pumps. The next question is dash use of electrochemical gradient of one ion to drive another ion across the membrane in the opposite direction is antipoters. Is a drug has the capacity to alter the reactions which are mediated by dash by either increasing or decreasing the rate at which the reaction is taking place. The answer is enzymes. The next question is dash of enzyme relates to endogenous several mediators and modulators in nature. Stimulation. The next question is inhibitors that react with an adjacent site and alter enzymes such that its ability to catalyze a reaction is lost is termed as non-competitive inhibitors. The next question is physostigmine and neostigmine compete with the acetylcholine to bring about inhibition of cholinesterase is an example of competitive inhibitors. The next question is the dash effect of sulfonylurease is an example where drugs modulate the ion channel. Hypoglycemic. The next question is blockage of a voltage dependent dash channel by local anesthetic showing a typical interaction between a drug and ion channel. Sodium. The next question is in the field of biochemistry term dash is defined as the proteinaceous macromolecule present on the cell wall. Receptors. The next question is adrenoreceptor is an example of dash receptor, G protein coupled receptor. The next question is when the action of one drug is enhanced on administration of the other, the effect is known as synergism. As the presence of pyrexia results in a decrease in the body temperature when aspirin is administered, it is an example of metabolic disturbance. The next question is the formula calculating energy of ionic bond interaction is this. The next question is the rate of interaction of drug and receptor can be given as this. The next question is in the year 1965 Dash had proposed the rate theory according to which the drug action is the rate at which the drug receptor combination occurs. Pattern and rank. The next question is dash states when a drug approaches receptor and orients its binding site, then conformational changes are induced that result in initiation of various biological responses. Induced fit theory is when adenylyl cyclase enzyme is activated, secondary messenger cyclic AMP accumulates intracellularly and acts via the CAMP dependent protein kinase. The next question is which one is not an example of channel regulator? Calmodulin. The next question is the primary feature of dash receptor is absence of intrinsic catalytic domain, JAK-STAT kinase binding receptor. The next question is occupation theory states that the intensity of pharmacological effect is dashed to the number of receptors occupied by the drug or the therapeutic agent. The answer is directly proportional. The next question is slope of dose response curve defines the dash as desired response with respect to changes to dose. The answer is extent of alteration. The next question is if doses are elevated geometrically and responses plotted against log of doses, then the relationship is log DRC. The next question is the dash is the comparison of amount of drug that causes the therapeutic effect to the amount of drug that may cause toxicity or death. The answer is therapeutic ratio. The next question is dash is used for psychoactive drugs for non-therapeutic treatment. The answer is safety ratio. The next question is dash dose is the amount of drug producing a therapeutic response in 50% of patients effective. The next question is histamine and adrenaline on bronchial muscles and BP is an example of which antagonism? The answer is functional antagonism. The next question is dash antagonism takes place when there is blockage by one of the drug to the receptor action of the other drug. The answer is receptor. The next question is the following factors modify the action of a drug is diet and environment, genetic factors, route of administration, so all of the above. The next question is Schlegel-Nagar syndrome, an inherited disorder, is characterized by impaired dash conjugation. The answer is Valium. The next question is dash are harmful and result of higher dose that cause via the same mechanism as the therapeutic effects. Toxic effects. The next question is hypersensitivity reaction that develops slowly after being exposed to drugs are classified under delayed hypersensitivity. The next question is various allergic responses are the result of damage caused by immune complexes circulating in small vessels is termed as serum sickness. The next question is the sensitivity reaction is observed when an individual after administration of a particular drug is exposed to sunlight and phenomena is termed as photosensitization. The next question is dash induces photochemical reactions in the skin. Methoxylane. The next question is the term teratogenic means dash and dysmorphogenic means dash in the form monster producing and derangement. The next question is dash is a genetically determined abnormal reactivity to a chemical. The answer is idiosyncrasy. The question is which one is not a factor that is affecting adverse drug reaction? The answer is presence of specific chemicals. The next question is dash is a situation in which a substance affects the activity of a drug. The answer is drug interaction. The next question is pharmacokinetic interaction may occur due to gastrointestinal absorption. Next question is which one is not a drug response that is considered to be toxic? The answer is pharmaceutical effect and bioavailability. The next question is dash involves subjecting the new chemical entities to a series of screening tests which have been designed to determine different types of biological activities. The answer is random screening. The next question is dash involves synthesis and testing of chemical analogues of existing drugs for their biological activity. The answer is molecular manipulation. Question is which one is not an example of molecular designing? The answer is metabolism of chlordiazepoxide. The next question is dash means to accidentally find something valuable and is the past it had led to introduction of many useful remedies. The answer is serendipity. The next question is what is the side effect of amphetamine? The answer is appetite loss. The next question is dash phase is performed on small groups consisting of 100 to 300 patients normally for testing the efficacy in the chemical situations. The answer is 2. The next question is what is the derived use of aspirin? The answer is antipsychotics. The next question is what is the side effect of iprionazid? The answer is euphoria. The next question is what is the original use of chlorpromazine? The answer is antihistamine. The next question is random screening to discover lead compounds form the basis for the next stage, that is lead optimization. The next question is which one is not a component of preclinical evaluation process? So the answer is post-marketing surveillance trial. The next question is the dash main aim is to enhance the potency of the target compound and its optimization for other properties. The answer is lead optimization. Question is the dash aims to satisfy every requirement to be fulfilled before a new compound gets ready for tests in humans. The answer is preclinical development. The next question is dash checks if any potentially hazardous or serious side effects is produced by the drug. The answer is pharmacological testing. The next question is dash studies are the conclusive double-blinked randomized trial. The answer is phase 3. The next question is dash involves removal of genotoxicity and aims to establish the maximum dose of the drug that would be non-toxic. The answer is preliminary toxicological testing. The next question is in dash studies the drug is administered to a group of patients in multiple low dose. The answer is MAD. The next question is in dash phase the dosing requirement are assessed. The answer is phase 2A. The next question is dash is the name by which phase 4 trial is commonly known. The answer is post-marketing surveillance trial. The next question is dash is signs and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effects or any other medicine related problem. The answer is pharmacovigilance. Next question is the main aim of pharmacovigilance study is to detect signals, improve rational decision making in adverse event monitoring, to identify newer pharmacological actions of marketed drugs, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is in dash phase the efficacy of a drug is assessed. The answer is phase 2B. The next question is which observation is not considered while observing patients. The answer is case control surveillance. Next question is which observation is not considered while observing populations. The answer is anecdotal literature reporting. The next question is which one factor is not considered during pharmacovigilance. The answer is various drugs may produce a variety of clinical events or syndrome. The last question for this video is in dash studies small groups of subjects receive a single dose of the drug while they are kept under observation and are tested for selected period of time. The answer is ACD. All for now. Thank you.